Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to new vlog. In this vlog I am going to tell you how you can travel in Istanbul. You can go anywhere from this airport, Istanbul airport. You can go anywhere. How you can go by using a taxi, a black taxi or bus. What you have to do in this vlog, you are going to have a lots of thing information. And right now I am here. Istanbul have a biggest airport, like world have biggest airport under that fifth number. Like Istanbul airport is the fifth biggest airport of the world. So here I am right now, and you can see here's lots of things, and this is Hawaiist bus. So first of all I will tell you how you can take this bus and what the cost, what the timing and everything. So let's go first of all. और यहाँ पे टाइमिंग वगैरह लिखी हुई है, कितने बजे जाती है डेली का, और साथ में ऊपर आपको ये भी देखने को मिल जाएगा, मतलब डी मतलब दुराकता मतलब हो गया स्टेशन, और ये हवाईस्ट का स्टेशन है ब्लड बुजू।
अभी थोड़ी देर में हम अंदर चलते हैं दोस्तों, और आपको हम एयरपोर्ट पे मिलते हैं।
This is top of Hawaiist of upper side. You can see here all bus stop here. You can see there is also Hawaiist bus, here is also Hawaiist bus. So here every bus stop, and they take out bags here, and you can see here view of Istanbul airport, and you can see here view water. And now I am going to down to show you some more things. So let's go first inside, then I will show you some more things. So let's go. So friends, first of all I am going down, and I will tell you how you can go from down, because you have to take all bus taxi from here. So let's go.
तो दोस्तों हम आ गए हैं एयरपोर्ट। तो मैं अब आपको मिलूंगी इंडिया में। अब बाय बाय
So this number of gate Istanbul airport, everyone came out from here, you can see, and here I will tell you what you have to do. Friends, from here you can take a taxi of yellow color or black color, and if you are going anywhere from the black taxi, then you have to pay 1200 lira, or from here to Taksim, or 1500 lira. And yellow taxi you have to pay 800 to 900. This much price they have. And let me show you on map where black taxi go and where yellow taxi go. They have made a map, so let me show you. So here you can see in this spot the black taxi how much they take: 745, 850, 1250, And this is yellow and blue taxi price. You can see 1200, 850 from here, means this is 450, 505, 440 from till Aksaray. This is a yellow or blue car taxi prices, you can see. And here, if you can't talk in Turkish, so here some people who can help you to take a taxi. They will call a taxi for Aksaray, Marmaray and Taksim. You can talk to them in English and they will call the taxi here, and you can go by taxi if you want to go. And if you have lots of luggage, and you have to take a black taxi, because that will be good for you. And you can see this, the way here taxi come. I think now you have understand. You can take yellow and black taxi from here, and what you have to do, what the price, you can understand now. And if you can't talk in Turkish, then there is English translation, they can help you. Now let's go. I will tell you how you can use bus and see the airport. This is parking, and downside is also parking. Let me show you from here. See beauty of Istanbul airport. What a beautiful place. I think you have understand how you can go by taxi. It's costly for some people. If they can't want to take taxi, you can take metro. If you don't have luggage too much, here is metro. Yes, from here you can go down, and there is metro. Here you can say where this bus go. And now I will tell you better than everything. You can see here, if you are taking a taxi, then cost is here. You can see the prices. And if you are going Maslak, Taksim, Autogar, Aksaray, then this will be cost, maybe not a confirm. If you are taking a Hawaii's bus, this buses, then cost will be this 68, 64, 115, 85, 68. If you are taking a metro, and this is something else. If you are taking a ETT, this is bus of government bus. If you are taking a bus of government, then bus number is here S2, S8, H1, H6 and H3. Halkali, Yunus, and this metro Haji Usman, Majidi Koi. This go from here, and this is cost. You can keep your every material, everything, and this is chart of every cost and where these things are going, like bus, metro, and more thing like black taxi and other thing. And you can see here where you can find anything. Black taxi second means -1, -2. This the same chart is also here. So here is chart where this bus is stop, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there, and 7 8 9 10 is here, and the others are more there. So like this you can see, but I have to go Blackduzu because my home is there, and I will show you what's the Hawaii from inside. 8 number. So let's go 8 number. And if you don't want to buy from here ticket, then you can take ticket by the conductor, because see this 12 number of this 12 number of Hawaii bus are going Aksaray, and price is 87 lira. So I have to go 8 number. So let's go there. Find anything, then they have keep their number of Hawaii. 8 number bus is here, 9 number bus is there. So you can find like this also. There is parking. He is giving a ticket direct. You can pay here also. So friends, I am thinking to buy a ticket from counter. So let's go and buy a ticket from counter, and there we can direct scan and go inside. So let's go there to buy a ticket. If you have this ticket, then you have to just show them, and this barcode they will scan, and you can go direct inside. If you want to take a ticket from here, you can take ticket direct from conductor. If you have this ticket, then you don't have to wait in line. You can go direct, move on direct, because you don't have luggage. If you have, then you have to wait here for your time. Scanning is complete. Let's take out a bag. So now I will show you outside view, and outside view is very amazing because we are going for inside, like between from the field of farming. So this will be going to amazing view. So let's go. So friends, I have arrived here. You can see my number bus, and there is Marmara Park, and I arrived. It's night time. See. So friends, in this vlog I have shared you with very important information how you can travel after coming Istanbul airport. You can take taxi, bus, metro, and what you want to take, then take it. And I have arrived here, you can see. So this is Marmara Park, and I hope you like this vlog. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video notification. I will meet you in next vlog, and don't forget to follow me Instagram and Facebook. Description there is link of both. You can follow from there. I will meet you in next vlog. Jab tak ke liye, bye bye.